Me estoy aburriendo. Same.
Why are we watching them anyway? Wake up!
Spilled milk. No!
Why are you so loud all the time?
Well, hello there, you beautiful things. I'm here to make myself a game show, and you all seem like the perfect contestants. Are you in?
Not really. No, I don't.
I'll join. I'd easily squash these fools.
Like,
Heck!
you would. I'm joining too. Me. Too. Yo también.
Yeah, sure, why not?
And with that, that's our full cast. Now, without further ado, let us begin. Alright, it is now time for your first challenge. In this task, Okay, wow, that is actually really annoying. Now, your first challenge is to make that microwave stop its incessant beeping. Whichever one of you makes it stop first shall be saved, but the rest, you'll be up for elimination. Now, go!
Estás muerto, pequeño.
That was easy.
Before you even try, you can't zap paper. I just need you to calm down. What?
Works every time.
Finally, spilled milk has stopped microwaves beeping, making him the only safe contestant. As for the rest of you, my wonderful audience, vote for one of these 6 contestants to be eliminated using the poll in the description. Voting ends in 48 hours, so go ahead and act fast. And be sure to recommend a character too. See you next time.